AI is being used to enhance military decision-making in various ways, from predicting enemy movements to identifying potential vulnerabilities in critical infrastructure. And while these applications hold tremendous promise, they also raise important questions about the limits of AI's capabilities and the potential consequences of relying too heavily on these systems. In the world of military intelligence, the stakes are incredibly high, and the consequences of a misstep can be catastrophic. So, as we continue to integrate AI into military decision-making, it's essential that we carefully consider the implications of doing so. For instance, the Israeli military is already using AI-powered systems to analyze drone footage and identify potential targets in real time. And while these systems have shown tremendous promise, they've also raised concerns about the potential for bias and error. After all, if an AI system is trained on flawed or incomplete data, it may make decisions that are similarly flawed. Gabriel Weiman, a professor of communication at the University of Haifa, discusses patterns in terrorist communications.
AI has the potential to significantly enhance our ability to identify patterns in terrorist communications. By analyzing vast amounts of data from social media, messaging apps, and other communication channels, AI can detect subtle indicators of radicalization and terrorist planning. However, it's crucial to combine artificial intelligence tools with human expertise to ensure accuracy and avoid false positives. Effective oversight and ethical considerations are essential to balance security needs with privacy rights.
In another example, the US military has been using AI to analyze satellite imagery and detect potential enemy troop movements. But again, the accuracy of these systems is only as good as the data they're trained on, and the potential consequences of a misidentification can be severe. Dr. David A. Bray, Executive Director of the People-Centered Internet Organization and visiting professor at the University of Oxford, says of predicting enemy movements.
AI's use in predicting enemy movements on the battlefield is a game changer. By analyzing vast amounts of data from various sources, such as satellite imagery, communications intercepts, and sensor data, AI can identify patterns and predict enemy actions with high accuracy. This enhances situational awareness and allows for more informed decision-making. However, it's crucial to ensure that AI systems are used ethically and transparently, with appropriate human oversight to prevent unintended consequences.
Despite these challenges, AI is being used to great effect in military contexts around the world. From predicting cyberattacks to identifying potential IEDs, these systems are helping to keep soldiers and civilians safer. But as we rely more heavily on AI, it's essential that we consider the potential risks and consequences of doing so. One of the primary concerns surrounding the use of AI in military intelligence is the potential for bias and error. If an AI system is trained on flawed or incomplete data, it may make decisions that are similarly flawed. And in the high-stakes world of military intelligence, the consequences of such errors can be catastrophic. Another concern is the potential for over-reliance on AI. While these systems can process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, they lack the critical thinking skills and intuition that human analysts bring to the table. And as we'll explore later, this tension between human judgment and AI efficiency is at the heart of the debate over whether AI can truly make better military decisions than humans. The debate surrounding the role of AI in military intelligence is fierce, with some experts arguing that AI is the key to unlocking faster and more accurate decision-making, while others caution that the risks of relying too heavily on these systems outweigh the benefits. According to Dr. Justin Conrad, a leading expert in AI and military strategy,
the potential benefits of AI in military intelligence are undeniable, but we need to be careful not to overstate the capabilities of these systems or underestimate the importance of human judgment.
On the other hand, tech entrepreneur and AI advocate Elon Musk has argued that
AI has the potential to revolutionize military decision-making, enabling faster and more accurate responses to emerging threats. The question is not whether AI will surpass human decision-making, but when.
As we consider the implications of AI's potential dominance in military intelligence, it's essential that we weigh the potential benefits against the potential risks. On the one hand, AI has the potential to revolutionize military decision-making, enabling faster and more accurate responses to emerging threats. But on the other hand, the risks of relying too heavily on these systems are very real. One of the primary ethical dilemmas surrounding the use of AI in military intelligence is the potential for autonomous decision-making. If an AI system is given the authority to make life or death decisions without human oversight, the consequences could be catastrophic. Another concern is the potential for AI to exacerbate existing social inequalities. If AI systems are trained on biased or incomplete data, they may perpetuate or even amplify existing social biases. And in the context of military intelligence, this could have devastating consequences. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will play an increasingly important role in military intelligence. But it's equally clear that we need to be careful about how we integrate these systems into our decision-making processes. In the end, the question of whether AI can truly surpass human decision-making in military intelligence is a complex one. While AI has the potential to revolutionize military decision-making, it's essential that we approach this technology with a critical eye, weighing the potential benefits against the potential risks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about AI and military technology, be sure to check out our other videos on the topic.